Alright, so we're gonna unbox. I'm excited. All of my big order I put in for my birthday / making chief gift came in. So I already opened before, but we'll go ahead and pull out and look because they came in earlier. Different shipping method, but the ammo for what we're going to be looking at, these are Nielsen specialty ammo, 350 grain for 457 rifle. So these are going to be for the Texan that we're unboxing. If you had seen when the truck pulled up, you would have gotten to see me dancing around, excited. It's here, it's here, it's here. Been waiting almost a week now. So 300 rounds there. Also, we got the Air Venturi Road Air 4500 PSI air compressor to be able to fill up the gun and cut that away so you can maybe see that on camera. If not, just a couple dings to the box, but we're not too worried. You know what, let's go ahead and look inside here and then we'll get to the next. Right on top, air instruction, the instruction manual, very important. Be able to hook up to car, filters, plug into the house or whatever other 120 outlet you have, adapters and hose, some silica to keep everything nice and dry in here, and then all that was just sitting inside here. And I have the actual compressor right here. I really like this. I'll probably just keep using this to store it, honestly. A perfect little storage solution for it. Keep it all nice and safe. So, put this back up. We'll go to the next box. I don't see what the point of this going around this way was because it's not holding anything. Oops. Put our instructions back in there. Alright, so next, this should be some of our things that go with it, as well as some pistols to start teaching gun safety and shooting to the rest of the family. Paper. And there's the first, the DX17 Extreme Air Pistol. Pistol and comes with 200 steel BBs in the kit. Second one. This is our bipod from AirForce to go onto the gun. Nice storage case. Comes with a Allen key for tightening it down. It's all in there. We'll take a look at that a little bit later, once we get to that point. This is just some more 22 pellets for my Diamondback back there. Catalog, because I don't already look at Pyramid. So, you know, they sent a catalog so I can look at them. And then packing slip for everything I received. So far, the things we've looked at and pulled out: the bipod, the compressor, the two pistols, the Umarex DX17s, and then, like I said, in here is going to be, maybe we'll open that up to show, but it's 4 tins, so 1,022 pellets of the Golden Trophy pellets to try out. They're supposed to be real nice. Everything packed up nicely so that it stays safe. Which I appreciate Pyramid doing. Oh, nice. Each tin of the Normas is in its own little ring. So that's 1. No, not each tin. 2. And then 3 and 4 together. But all nice and compact in there. Alright. So now that we've gotten this far, let's clear the riffraff out of the way so we can get to the fun part. I look forward to trying out those DX17s. Alright, so this should be the last of what we ordered. The Flambeau double gun case, extra long, because the Texan LSS is 51.5 inches. And on top of that, so the gun should be inside here, along with the scope that it was mounted on it, and the rings they used to mount the scope. All of that was done at Pyramid, including sighting in the scope at 25 yards. Don't think that's going to be an issue, but a little bit hanging off there. And it does not want to pull out of here. No, worst case, we'll just cut the case. Box, there it goes. Nothing else in there, which is what we would expect. You got some of the manuals sticking out the back. Based on looks, I don't think there was any issue with this little piece we see. Just toss that back in there. And it's time. It does have, real quick, company logo, Flambeau Outdoors. I kind of like the look. And here we are. Looks like another gun catalog or book. This is Field Ethos, Volume 4, 2023. Test certificate for the gun itself. They used Seneca round balls, 14.38 grain. Interesting, I wouldn't have expected balls to be what they used for it. I'll look through the rest of this. I know you guys are just as excited as I am to get to the actual gun. But so mount scope and sight in at 25 meters. 7 shots fired through the chronographer or through the chronograph. Should have a tape in my hand here for that. Cocked reliably for all shots. Trigger functions correctly for all shots. The PCP held air, no leaks during filling testing. And it says some PCP guns require more than one fill to get 20 full power shots. So it may have been filled more than once. So air pressure used, 3600 PSI, which is good because that's what it's supposed to go up to. Red-green illumination, how to install batteries. So this is just stuff for the scope. So this is supposed to be a 2-gun case, but as you can see, the Texan fills it all by itself quite well. A mil-dot range estimating chart. I think that's more for a firearm than an air gun, but I could be wrong. It is actually an AirForce scope that I got for it, so we'll double check that later. Scope owner's manual. Very nice cloth for keeping the scope clean. Spin lock wrench, Allen key, and buttstock Allen key for the AirForce air guns. Warranty card for the gun. The operation and safety manual for the gun, so we'll read that before we do anything with it. And then our shot chart. So, first shot was a velocity of 1,111 with 391.9 foot-pounds. And the last one was at 1,022, so it steadily decreased across the 7 shots with a total of 331.62 foot-pounds. I said 7 shots, a spread of 89 for velocity, and an average of 1,074. So it'll all, from everything I've seen, several shots to get it to settle in, but looks pretty good. All right. I have to read and see exactly what this piece is. But an extra little piece that's in here. All right. Looks like a little scratching on the shroud there. Nothing too major. What a beautiful gun. What a long gun. So there you have it. The Texan LSS carbon fiber. It's got the carbon fiber tank and all 51.5 inches of gun. Back scope sights. Our cover is crooked. That doesn't do much good. It looks like it got installed. Oh, I don't need to be changing that. Well, get that on there the right way. Now it's not crooked. So it's a 3 to 9 by 40. It is an AO, so it adjusts the field. Goes down to 15. I thought it was supposed to have been down to 10, but it looks like it's only down to 15. And right here, our adjustment for magnification. Wow, the image is crisp and clear. changing for yardage and windage, and then the actual light. So it does blue, which honestly, well, at that setting isn't very noticeable. Take it up to the 3. Slit a little more. You wouldn't necessarily want it in the daytime anyway. And it's got red, green, so it's a blue, red, green. And 3 levels of lighting. Oh, I'm sorry, I said 3 to 9 by 40, but this is 3 to 9 by 50. Nice, it illuminated with the etched mill dot and AO, so it adjusts from 15 all the way to infinity. And the last mark before infinity is 150. And there is a 10-yard mark. I just needed to keep turning, and I didn't think it would. And it'll even go a little past the 10. There you go. There's the 10. Alright. I think that's all for now. I'm excited to try this out and see how it does.